Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we will see how to remove blemishes from a face using patch tool in Adobe Photoshop. This tool is a great alternative to spot healing brush tool as it allows you to select a specific area to replace the blemishes with. By following those simple steps you can easily enhance your appearance of your subject by removing distracting blemishes. Open your image in Photoshop and click lock icon to create layer. Now click adjustment layer from the bottom of the layer panel and select black and white. From here decrease red and adjust yellow to make blemishes more visible. Now create a duplicate layer by clicking on the bottom of the layer panel or press Command J from a Mac and Ctrl J for Windows. Select patch tool from the toolbars on the left hand side of the screen. It looks like small patch or bandage. Use the patch tool to select area of blemishes that you want to replace. To do this, click and drag around the blemishes. With selection still active, click and drag selected area to an adjacent area of the screen that's similar in texture or tone. The selected area will be replaced with texture and tone of the new area. Repeat this process for each blemishes on the face, being careful to select areas of skin that are good match for the area you are replacing. Once you have removed all the blemishes, then deselect the adjustment black and white layer and save your edited image. And there you have it. By using spot healing brush tool and clone stamp tool, you can quickly and easily remove blemishes from a face in Adobe Photoshop. Remember to use a light touch and to be careful not to overuse this tool, as you want to maintain a natural and realistic appearance in your final image. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.